How's it going, guys? Tim from Tentworld Canberra here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Porlex mini coffee grinder. As you can see here, I've got the coffee grinder out, and it's very simple and really compact to use. It goes very well with the AeroPress. As you can see here, it's got a nice rubber ring for ease of storage. So to use this coffee grinder, you've got a cap at the top here that allows you to put your coffee grind in. On the very bottom, you've got a cup to catch your coffee grind, and here you've got a control knob which enables you to adjust how heavy you want your grind. As you see here, I'm just loosening it, enabling it to be a bigger grind, tightening it to make it a smaller grind. Once you get it to your preferred setting, you will put the catch back on the bottom, the cap back on the top, and you've got a little notch in the handle which you slot over the top, and away you go. Now once you're all set and ready, you will take the bottom cup off, and you will have your coffee grind down in the bottom cup, and you're good to go. For more information on products, jump onto our Tentworld website at tentworld.com.au or jump into your local Tentworld store.